Big shot. Big shot. Ooh, that was better. And the new continental is Ben Bennett with 2 points. Yung bagong slogan nila is Mr. Johnny Gado with 2 points. Alma Orville with 3 points. Mr. Orville Alma 50-53. Gonzalez with 2 points. Cambio man sila Mr. Gonzalez. 1 point lead for Team BEC Corporation. Ito yung team ni Engineer Plana. Mayorel for 3. 3 points for Mayorel. First, pang-apat na. Kung alis ni Manay Miguel, sigurado 1,000 pesos. 10 minutes and 30. Big stop. Miren. Woohoo! Mabuti na lang nandiyan si Engineer Plana. Engineer Zalvi Plana. The pride of our town. Nandito siya ngayon. Kalaban niya si Miren sa third at Team Bank. Miren. To big stop.
Rep, abante lang kamay. Rep, para hindi mararang. Abante lang kamay.
There is a foul by number 16.
Dapat.
Nine minutes and 44 remaining. That's the shit. Boy! Mabuti na yan si Gonzalez. Yes, sir! Miren, yes, sir! Unstoppable! First Mr. Carlos. Second. 8 minutes and 54.
Talagang siya, nakapitan niya kung kagamuha na. Hindi na ganito yung suyo, pinabayaan ko lang.
Pwede rin baliwag tayo.
Hindi ko nito.
There is a foul by number 6 Andres. First foul. 2 free throws for Mr. Bang Perez. First free throw, no. Second. Nice one. Number 9, that was Perez. Maybank for 3. Oh! Habar from the PEC Corporation of Engineer Plana. The minute time, 8 minutes and 26. 17 to shoot. Wala! Rebound for Big Star. Alves. Basket counts, may kasama kang foul. Throw yan.
Away from the ball.
8 minutes and 14 for Derek na lang mula sa Team BEC. Yes, sir! Big Perez with 2 points. Maybank for 3. For Maybank successful. 61-68, 7 points for Maybank. Habar. Wala. Wait, there is a foul by number 9. Mr. Perez, foul po kayo. Third quarter. Ang ganda ng scoring ni Mr. Maybank. Gonzales. There is a foul by number 14, Mauricio. Second foul. 2 free throws for Plomilio. Wala yun. Wala free throw yun. Ball possession for the PNC Corporation. Big shot to Alvarez. Maybank for 3. Maybank to 4. Unstoppable. 63-71. 8-point lead for Simbank. Kudoy. Wala. There is a foul by number 15, Palma. Orville Palma, foul 2. This goes for Mr. Ronald Gonzalez, reducing 16. First free throw. Yes, sir.
Pangkat ko lang.
Picks up, pass to Palma. Mauricio. Becha. Mauricio. 64-73. For 3, yes sir. What happened there? Maybank for 3. Maybank with 2 there is a penalty. There's 11 number 9. 2 free throws. For Mr. First free throw. Sure. Second. Nice one, Mr. Pettit. Score 68-76, 8.3 for Team Bank. 8.3. 5 minutes and 36. Mayor Bank for 3. Rebound for Mr. Bangladesh. Oh! Hirata! No! Ooh. Ball will go to Team PEC. From Manila, the Team PEC Corporation. Hit it to Hagar! Rebound for Big Sat. They're in, what do you call that? Number 41, Flamingo. Foul 2. Mr. Flamingo. Warning for penalty. Nearby for 3. Palma. Nearby. Tuloy for 2. No hit. Big shot. Oy! Nakuha ni Mr. Tuloyan. Dizon. Pass to number 24. Oy! 3 points na wala. The ball will go to Team Bank. 4 minutes and 29 left. Big shot. Big shot to Mayor Bank. To Bangladesh. Foul by number 19. Foul 4. Pata for Mr. Sodoy. Substitution, Engineer Plana in. Mr. Sodoy, foul 4. Penalty. Two free throws for Gap Kadoy Balzabe. First free throw counts. Second. Yes sir! Wow! Kita mo yun? Top solid. Grabe si Gap Kadoy. Kondisyon, no? Tuwagin ka free throw niya. Oo, aggressive na si Kapitan. Pero, pinasa ka na number 26. Kusudoy. Kudoy, titira. Wala. Uy, super tanggal ni Mr. Dizon. Number 26, Manila 3. Rebound 4, Cap Kadoy. Grabe yung rebound ni Cap Kadoy. It feels like 30 plus yung edad niya. Grabe. 3 minutes and 54. Ayun. Big shot. To Paula. Basket counts, may kasama pang foul. Number 91. Foul 3. Number 91, foul 3. on a spin throw for Vil Palma. Woo. Stepping on the line for Mr. Vigsat. Only 2 points for Mr. Palma. Score 68-80. 12-point lead for Team Bang. 3 minutes and 40. We're still in the third quarter. For 3. Last touch for Pat Baldobe. Injured Plana putting down. Pass to Bison. Bison sa pilit. Injured Plana to Bison. For 2. For 3 wala. Bison. 10 to shoot. Habang for 3. Yes sir. For Mr. Habang.
Sa'yo maway siya nag-lag.
Mirabag kumikit. Pinasa kay Takban na dito. Mr. Vigsat. Wala. Is sumapang bitaw sa engineer plan. Pilit. 1-1. There is a foul. For number 15, Palma. Foul 3, Palma. 71-80 ang score. 2 free throws from Mr. Pilit. For this quarter for Mr. Ben Perez. Uy, ang daming score ni Mr. Perez ha. Siya yung uwa-arriba for Team PNC Corporation. Vigsat for Team Ben. And to shoot. Vigsat to Palma. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mirabag playing down to Palma. 10 to shoot. Mirabag for 2. Rebound for Silva. Engineer Plana. Pilit. Wow! Kinaliwa pa.
Siya lang yun.
Bring Pilit with 2 points. Mirabag to Pat Baldobe. Maybe at the top and don't finish. After this is the Robin the 28 for 3. Without Mr. Orville Palma. Vigsat. Apat isa. Mirabag. To Palma to Cap Kadoy to Mirabag. For 3. Without 4 Kadoy. First break. Plana, Engineer Plana to number 26 for 3. Yes, sir. Points for number 26, Mr. Habar with a back-to-back 3 points. Vigsat, there is a foul by number 12, Engineer. Substitution. Engineer Plana, foul po kayo. Substitution. 1 minute and 9 left. Score 78-80. 2.8 for Team Bang. 2-point lead. First is the counts from the Vigsat. Only 1 point. Yes, sir. Victor Hirala with 2 points. Yes. 1 minute left. Adrian Plana, Pohabar for 3. Unstoppable for the third Hapa. 37 seconds. Mirabang for 3. Hirada, 2 big start. Great job, 26 seconds left.